Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. So today I'm gonna show you how to apply Amla hair mask at home. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, we need curd and Amla powder. So I take two full spoons of curd and 10 grams of Amla powder. This packet is 20 grams, so I used half of the amount, so 10 grams is enough for scalp. So now mix these two ingredients well and make a paste. If you are not apply any oil on your hairs, so add 2 spoons of coconut or olive or castor oil, any one of the oil you can add it. So I do not add oil, so I already apply hair oil on my hairs. So now take the middle partition and also detangle your hair like so. Okay, now apply the Amla hair mask on your scalp like so. Okay, now applying completed. Now make a bun and wait for 20 to 30 minutes after wash off. Okay, after wash my hair completely dry, it is very smooth and shiny hair I got for this mask. I have already silky hair, so it gives nourishment to my hair. So this is the Amla mask. You can also try this. So if you are like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.